For areas requiring addressable initiating, the 2050FS and 2250FS fire alarm control units, or FACUs, deliver flexible and easy-to-use fire alarm monitoring. The goal of this video is to provide an overview of the Addressable Foundation Series control units, including their features, benefits, key differentiators, and value proposition. The addressable models are a great choice for small commercial installations where up to 250 initiating devices are needed. Labeling of initiating devices is desired. Only 2 to 4 notification zones are needed. These FACUs include several features that make them easy to install and use. The user interface consists of a 4x40 character backlit LCD screen, a keypad, and 8 programmable LED indicators. The user interface shows key information at a glance, including alarm, supervisory, trouble, carbon monoxide or priority 2, ground fault, system normal, silence, acknowledge and walk test. Walk test mode allows one person to perform system testing, reducing service costs and occupant disturbance. When walk test mode is enabled, alarm or trouble tests are automatically run and system responses are logged into the alarm log. This can be performed by either sounding out an audible notification or performed silently. The addressable models have flexible and easy programming through the mobile app, user interface, or the PC-based programmer. When configured using the mobile app, panel configuration can be transferred to the panel wirelessly using near-field communication. Additionally, panel configuration and software updates can be uploaded or downloaded using the USB port. Alarm and trouble history logs can be viewed either from the display or downloaded to a computer. The Addressable Foundation Series models use a single 1A MX loop for initiating devices. The loop can be wired as Class B or Class A. The innovative MX technology simplifies design and reduces installation costs by providing power for sounder bases and other devices through the MX loop. This eliminates the need for a second set of wires to provide power to these devices. One of the main differences between the Addressable Foundation Series models is the number of initiating devices supported. The 2050FS model supports up to 50 addressable initiating devices, whereas the 2250FS model supports up to 250 addressable initiating devices. Both models support the same devices, including photoelectric smoke sensors, heat sensors, combination photo and heat sensors, triple photo, heat, and carbon monoxide sensor, loop-powered sounder bases, duct detector, single and dual action pull stations. Additionally, addressable modules are also supported, including Mini IM, Relay IM, Monitor ZAM, Signal ZAM, and Line Isolator module. The addressable models have flexible addressable options. Depending on the job requirements and your office's preferences, initiating devices can be addressed using hard or soft addressing. Hard addresses are assigned using dip switches located on the devices. Soft addresses are assigned using the panel's user interface, the PC-based programmer, or scanning the device's QR code using the mobile app. The other main difference between the Addressable Foundation Series models is the number of notification appliance circuits, or NACs, available. The 2050FS model has 2 conventional NACs, and the 2250FS model has 4 conventional NACs. Both models have several programming options, giving you the flexibility to meet customer requirements. Each of the 3 ampere onboard NACs can be wired as either Class A or Class B. For Class B wiring, selectable end-of-line resistor, or EOLR, values makes these models a great choice for retrofit applications. Compatible appliances include TrueAlert conventional horns, strobes, and horn strobes. If other UL listed appliances are used, external synchronization modules may be needed. Operation is selectable for steady on, synchronized, temporal patterns, slow march time, or fast march time. If additional NAC power is needed, a 4009 NAC extender can be added. The addressable models can be connected to a standard power supply of either 120 volt AC or 240 volt AC power. The control unit automatically detects the voltage input with no programming required, simplifying installation. The temperature-compensated battery charger is rated for up to 33 amp-hour sealed lead-acid batteries. The cabinet can fit up to two 18 amp-hour batteries. Larger batteries require an external cabinet. The addressable models have two auxiliary output circuits with 24-volt DC power. They also have three relay outputs that are selectable as normally open or normally closed and rated for 2 amps of power. Auxiliary Relay 1 is a common trouble relay and is not programmable. Auxiliary Relay 2 and 3 are programmable. The gateway module provides wired or wireless central station communication through Ethernet, cellular, or landline telephone. Antenna extension kits are available for installations with inadequate cellular signal. System status messages that may be communicated include point status changes, phone line status, and other off-normal information. Up to 10 events can be reported in one call. Central station reporting can be configured with one or dual communication paths. Although any combination of communication routes may be programmed to be UL or ULC listed, only certain configurations are allowed, as shown in these tables. An optional city circuit module is available. This module has onboard disconnect switches and can be disabled from the control unit through dip switch settings. Connections are for remote station, reverse polarity, or municipal master, local energy. Reporting includes alarm, supervisory, and trouble. The addressable models support a maximum of 8 remote LCD annunciators. The LCD remote annunciator mimics the panel's display with a 2x20 character screen and 5 dedicated LEDs for general alarm, supervisory, trouble indication, alarm silenced, and power on. A key is required to access the switches for acknowledge, alarm silence, reset and scroll keys. In this video you have learned about the features and benefits that make the addressable 2050FS and 2250FS powerful, flexible, and compact fire alarm control units that are easy to install and use. The main difference between the two addressable models are the number of initiation devices supported and NACs available. The addressable models have many of the same features, including a 4x40 LCD display with programmable LEDs, flexible programming options, gateway module, up to 8 LCD annunciator.